Let's start our grammar grabber for the week of September 29th, and we are going to be sentence diagramming. You can see our sentence from this week. On the floor of the stadium, a curvy walkway wound around a pond-shaped iced rink. And here we have all of our lines to set up our sentence diagramming. Our first step is to identify where our prepositions are and what are our prepositional phrases. Here I have marked them. So you can see on the floor is a prepositional phrase, of the stadium is a prepositional phrase, and around a pond-shaped ice rink is a prepositional phrase. Our next step is to take these different prepositional phrases and integrate that into our sentence diagramming. So first, we want to identify our subject. Our simple subject is just looking at what is doing the action. And in this sentence, walkway is doing the action. Next, we want to know what our verb is. Our verb in this sentence, what is the walkway doing, would be the verb wound. So we've used two parts of our simple sentence. A curvy walkway wound. What two words are describing walkway? And you can see right in front of walkway we have two words, a and curvy. So a goes with walkway and curvy goes with walkway. They get put on the diagonal lines coming down off of walkway because they are describing walkway or are an adjective and then also our article. Next is to look at wound. Where did the walkway wound? So we have this prepositional phrase, around a pond-shaped ice rink. And so we'll take that one first. We know that that is describing how the walkway wound. And so we'll put that on this first part. So we want to find what is our preposition, and our preposition connecting wound with another noun is around. So I put that on the diagonal line. And what is the walkway winding around? It's winding around a rink. We want a noun to go here on our horizontal line, and so we will put that right here and rink. All right, so we know that the walkway wound around a rink. There are three parts that are describing the rink to us. One is our article, a. Another is the shape of the rink, which is a pond-shaped rink. And our last one is that it's an ice rink. So as you can see, we've added all three of our adjectives, well, two adjectives and an article, to describing rink. Then we have these last two prepositional phrases, on the floor and of the stadium. So we'll start at the beginning, on the floor. So on the floor is describing how and where this wounding went. And so our noun, we should know, is floor. And what connects the wound in the floor or the walkway in the floor would be our preposition on. So that goes on our diagonal line. We have two things that are actually describing the floor. Our simple description word or article is the word the. So we add that to a diagonal line. Notice it's by itself. Where is this floor located? That actually is given by our third prepositional phrase where it says of the stadium. So of the stadium is connected with floor. So we will put of, our prepositional phrase, going right here on the diagonal line, And stadium is going down here on our horizontal line because stadium is a noun. We have one more word that we have not connected, and that is the word the. And the is actually being described or being used with our noun stadium. So we'll just add a little box in here and we'll add the word the. Now you can see how we have completely sentence diagrammed our complete sentence. Make sure that you have this copied down in your journal for the next journal check.